pedal board. So F is the one just below this black key over here. I can feel it. Now I can add my left hand, which is C and then E. So that makes up the chord. And now I can add the right hand. For the next chord, I'm going to use my left foot. I'm going to play D. But while I'm playing the D, I want to get my right foot ready because it's G. Yeah. I want to use the heel for that G because later on I'm also going to play the A. So I will go toe for F, heel for G, and toe for A again. Yeah. For the left hand, I'm going to add A and B. Yeah. I want to speed up slightly. Yeah. And the next one, as I said earlier, I'm going to tilt my foot again so that I can play an A. That's how you play a scale. F, G, A, isn't it? So you would do A and B flat. I'll try to avoid to look at the pedal board because it's quite difficult to see it. When I want to play that B flat, I will just kick my left foot slightly towards the left. Yeah, the first note I can feel is the B flat. So from here, the first note I can feel is a B flat. Yeah. So I'm going to play A and a B flat for the pedal, and I'm going to play C and a F for the left hand, and now I'm going to add the right hand melody. And now I want to do C and F on the pedal board. The left heel falls very nicely on the C, and the F is the first white note I can feel if I try to use my right foot and try to kick towards right. There's a gap here. To put everything together, it sounds like this. Thank you very much for watching.